Hello everyone, hope all is well. My name is Jelamat. Today we'll discuss the question 2 on numerical variables. Here we are asked to construct a stem and leaf plot for a variable which is counting the number of species found at various locations. So for example, 150 represents the number of species identified at a particular location, 203 as well is the number of species identified at a particular location. Okay, and so to construct our stem and leaf plot, what we need to do is first of all identify the minimum value. Here I believe that 150 is the smallest value. And what is the max? This might be 231. Okay, so now when building the stem and leaf plot, what we'll do is first of all consider the outmost digit at the right to be our leaf, and so this means that the stem for this number would be 15, and then for the max, which is 231, the leaf would be 1, and then the stem is 23. And so we will need some stems from 15 to 23. So what I'll do is I'll construct the stem and leaf plot on my side here. So I have 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on. And we'll do this right up to 23. Okay? And so these are the stems. And then what we'll do is we'll put in the leaves. And so this we'll start with the 150s, and we'll identify these one at a time. And then the problem is that the values here are not in ascending order, and so we'll want to write our leaves in ascending order, and so we'll have to be very careful. Okay, and so if I start with 150, and so we have 156 as well, so I'll write them down. So 150, 156, I have 150, and then 59, 58, so 59, 158, so these all, whoops, 158, not 178, okay, and then what else do I have? So I have 150, oh, and I missed a 154, and so writing them in ascending order, so I have 150 that I see 3 times, so I'll need to put in 3 zeros, and then I have a 4, 6, 8, 9, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, so these are our 150s. So then we'll move on to the 160s, and so we see there's 166. So what else do we have? 164. So 164, there's 166, 169, 164, 169, 164, and there's 160. So if I put them in ascending order, so I have 0, 4, 4, 6, 9. So 0, 4, 4, 6, 9. Oh, I should put my 9 under the 6. Okay, so this is 160s, and we're getting there. So now 170s, and so what do we have? So 175, 177, 178, and that's it. Okay, so 5, 7, and 8. So 5, 7, and 8. And then if I look at the 180s, I just have 183. So that's easy. The 190s, so 199, that's it. So just one leaf. And then what else is left? So there's 216. So this is with 21. There's 203, so these are the 20s. And then there's 231. So this is our stem and leaf plot. It's always good to also make a little comment, a remark, that'll work as a little legend to explain to the reader what does number mean. So for example, if I have 21 as a stem with a leaf of 6, this should be interpreted as 216. Okay, and then what's left to do is just describe the distribution. We can try to identify or describe the shape. This is unimodal. Here we see that the The tail extends to the right, so this is skewed to the right. We can try to describe the center as well. In total, we have, I think, about 20 observations, and so the medium is between the 10th and the 11th. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the 10th and the 11th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 164, 165, or 166. Sorry. So between these two values is 165. So the median is 165. This describes the center, and then we can try to describe the dispersion after that. Here we should notice that there are some very large values, so we identified 231 as being a possible outlier, and also there are 4 large values between 183 and 216, so we can maybe identify this. And so there's one extremely large value, which is 231. There are also 4 large values between 180 and 216. And then the remainder of the values fall between 150 and 178. And so this will describe the dispersion and also describe outliers or possible suspected outliers. Okay, so that's it for the stem and leaf plot and the description of the distribution. Okay, thank you.